morning, friends. I'm Kiddie the Bear, and today Mia, Liam, and I are going to explore our wonderful school. We're here on time because being punctual is a great habit. Let's head inside. Do you arrive at school on time too?
Welcome to the Bright Stars classroom. Here we learn new things every day. Remember, paying attention in class helps us grow smarter.
I always listen carefully, complete my assignments, and raise my paw to ask questions. What about you? Can you show me how you raise your hand?
Pay attention, always try. Raise your hand, reach the sky. Listening helps us all succeed. Learn new things, plant knowledge seeds. Pay attention, always try. Raise your hand, reach the sky.
Before we start the day, we always have breakfast. Eating a healthy meal gives us energy to learn and play. And don't forget good hygiene. Wash your hands before eating. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Point to your favorite food on the table.
Hello, Kitty. Welcome to the Musical Wonders Room. Music is a wonderful way to express ourselves.
And don't forget to say, "Excuse me," if you bump into someone while dancing. Can you clap along with me?
If you're clapping and you know it, say excuse me. If you're dancing and you show it, say excuse me. When we share the floor and play, we're polite in every way. If you're dancing and you show it, say excuse me.
Hi, Kitty and friends. Welcome to the Color Splash Art Room. Sharing materials helps everyone create beautiful art.
I love painting. Remember to ask permission before borrowing something. It's a kind thing to do.
Share your paint, kindly ask and give. Ask before you take a brush, create art joyfully.
Welcome to the computer classroom. Here we learn about technology. Always be honest while using computers. No peeking at others' work.
And remember to turn off the computer when you're done to save energy. Can you press the button to shut it down?
Click and type and learn to share. Turn off screens to show you care. Honest hands on the keyboard lay. Computers help us learn and play. Click and type and learn to share. Turn off screens to show you care. Click and type and learn to share.
Dancing is fun and helps us stay healthy. Always thank your teacher after a lesson.
Thank you, Miss Lily. Friends, let's all try a spin together.
Say thank you for the things you learn, things you learn, things you learn. Kind words show respect and care. Thank you everywhere.
everyone, and welcome to the Discovery Science Lab. Science teaches us about the world. Always ask questions and be curious.
And don't forget to clean up after experiments. Keep our space tidy.
In the lab we learn and play. E-I-E-I-O. Questions here and answers there. E-I-E-I-O. With a cleanup here and a thank you there. Here a mop, there a brush. Tidy up without a fuss. In our lab we learn and play. E-I-E-I-O.
Welcome to the library classroom. Here, we discover amazing stories and learn to take care of books.
Always use kind words when asking for a book, and remember to put it back in its place. Can you find a book with your favorite animal on the cover?
Books are friends, they help us learn. Help us learn, help us learn. Treat them kindly every turn. Take care of books each day. Books are friends, they help us learn. Help us learn, help us learn. Treat them kindly every turn. Take care of books each day.
Taking turns and sharing makes playtime fun for everyone. And remember to say sorry if you accidentally hurt someone. Let's also be kind to everyone. No bullying allowed. What's your favorite thing to play on? Point to it.
Hello, Kitty. Thank you for visiting. Remember, always knock before entering a room. It's respectful.
Thank you, Mrs. Gator. Friends, the principal is the head of the school. Say good morning with a big smile. The school bus is where our day begins and ends. Always wait for your turn to board. Sit safely and greet the driver with a smile. Can you wave to the driver and say thank you?
Kids on the bus sit safe and sound. The driver on the bus says hello friends. Hello friends. The rules on the bus keep everyone safe all through the town with a happy smile. With a happy smile.
The auditorium is where we gather for events and shows. Always listen quietly during a performance and clap politely to show appreciation. Let's practice clapping together. Clap, clap, clap.
Welcome to the nursing room. If you ever feel unwell or get a small scrape, come here and I'll take care of you. Remember to wash your hands and cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.
Thank you, Nurse Nancy. Friends, let's practice covering our mouth when we sneeze. Achoo! This is the restroom, a place to keep ourselves clean and fresh. Remember to always flush the toilet after use, wash your hands with soap, and turn off the water tap when you're done. Let's practice good manners here.
Touch the toilet, wash your hands, turn the tap off, make a plan. Keep it clean and tidy. Hygiene keeps us healthy. Flush the toilet, wash your hands.
our good etiquette corner. Here we learn about being kind and respectful. Always say please when asking for something, thank you when someone helps, and sorry when you make a mistake. And don't forget to speak kindly to everyone.
If you're thankful and you know it, say thank you. If you're sorry and you show it, say I'm sorry, please, and thank you every day. Kind words make a smile and play. If you're thankful and you know it, say thank you. Say thank you.
What a wonderful day we had! Remember to greet your parents or bus driver with a smile, and don't forget to say goodbye to your friends. Let's be polite and respectful everywhere we go. If you enjoyed our journey, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more fun and exciting stories, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can join the fun too.